Okay, so SBrick found my tiny little Lego channel and decided to give me an SBrick to try out. So we're going to compare the SBrick here to some IR receivers and stuff. First of all, some specs on this thing. Weighs 13 grams compared to a Lego IR receiver, which is 22 grams. Now, of course, this is going to have 4 channels on it, so you might want to compare that to 2 IR receivers, which would be 44 grams. So we're coming in at quite a bit less weight here. The SBrick is 32 millimeters on each side here, and is going to have about the same footprint as one IR receiver. So if you're going to use 4 channels, it's also going to be quite a bit smaller. In the first day that I had this thing, I tried to break it unintentionally 2 times. The first time I hooked up the battery with reverse polarity, and it sent a bunch of current through. It destroyed the Lego battery connection and melted the housing a little bit. And then the second time I had some LED lights on there and they weren't working, so I had a multimeter and I shorted the LED leads, and that sent more current through and melted the housing to the point where it wasn't making a contact. So I put it in the, I guess that's a case. I guess SBrick calls this a case. I put it in the other SBrick case that they had sent me, and it still works just fine. So this thing is nice and tough. Now, of course, it comes with the SBrick app, and I didn't have too much problem with that. I got the app on my tablet here. I created an account with SBrick on the SBrick website, and I created an account on the profile maker, and I created an account on the app itself. I don't think I needed the account on SBrick.com, but once I got to the profile maker, it was relatively simple to throw down a couple of sliders and a joystick and stuff, and then I went to the app, and you have to assign a port to your control surfaces. But once you get that, it seems to work. And of course you get speed control that you wouldn't get with an IR receiver, so that's pretty great.